Intense 5 time. Popcorn and the Popo weren't the best of friends recently after it was reported that he got in a bit of trouble regarding the bikes. But we hear everything was sorted and Poppy is good to go. When you're Khalid, you can announce your album release date in the grandest of ways. So that's what he did by placing a billboard on top of a building in LA. The latest album, entitled Khalid Khalid, features tracks with a nice mix of international and Jamaican entertainers. So Kanye and his choir held a concert and all proceeds will go to the family of DMX. Good job, Kanye. So LA Lewis and Queenie thought it was a good idea to hang out outside of Jamaica House to try and see the Prime Minister. Okay. Then Queenie got asked LA, what's the issue? One thing with Queenie, if you want to have something, she'll go ask you what is your problem. And finally holding the number 1 spot this week, Trinidad will be tightening their COVID preventative measures after a rise in cases. Almost everything will be closed except essential services. They say they gotta do what they gotta do. And you know what's funny? I don't hear people cussing about it. Things that really make you go, That's it for the Intense 5 tonight. Remember, you can follow us on Instagram at TVJ Intense.